Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 12X and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to do it by pressing the power button and a volume down button together and wait until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So the combination of keys is the same when you're doing the screenshot. Let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. Of course, we've made the screenshot, but let's keep pressing the buttons all the time. Keep pressing and wait approximately 10 seconds. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. So keep pressing. We've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers, and in a second our device will be restarted completely, which means that we just successfully soft reset our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.